Hello, options traders. Steve Gans here of SJG Trades. I'm the head trader and educator, and I've been an educator and a trader for about 30 years in the options trading space and stock trading spaces. I've developed a series of classes that get into, if you're a more experienced trader and you're interested in delta neutral strategies, I've got a deep dive class on trading butterflies that gets into all the nuts and bolts of butterfly trading, when to adjust, how to adjust, best entry times, all the different details someone might want to know about butterflies, almost 10 hours. I do the same on calendars and diagonals. This is one of my favorite trades to do around earnings season. And then I have option trading for beginners. Now, this is a 10-part, or excuse me, about a 10-hour class also that gets into just the very basics of options. What is a call? What is a put? How do those different things move when the market moves up and down? There's a lot of different nuances when you take volatility into the equation. We get into some technical analysis, how to understand a chart, how to decide what types of options positions you might consider putting on when the market is doing different things. I think about options as kind of playing three-dimensional chess. Basically, you not only have the market movement up and down, but you also have volatility of the market or volatility of the individual stocks that is going up and down. And how do you bring all that in to make a decision about a trade? In addition to that, I also have some small sample courses. This is just a walkthrough of a series of different butterfly trades to help someone understand, is that the type of trading I'd be interested in? If you are, then you need to come back and get the deep dive class. Same thing with calendars. Then I have coaching sessions, which are 1 hour each. And then my trading community. This is a subscription service where I unroll and manage up to 5 trades at a time so that people can follow along and see how I'm entering trades, when and why I'm entering them, how I'm adjusting them, etc. And each move I'm making here encompasses a short video that goes into a little bit of analysis on the chart and then the type of trade I'm putting on, why I'm putting on that trade, and then as I adjust it, how I adjust it, etc. So this is a way for people to just kind of see live trades as they occur. This is not day trading. These are longer term trades where the trades may last a week, they may last a month, in some cases they may last 90 days or more. I currently have the wheel strategy going in here on stock symbol FTNT, up about $2,000, but it is a wheel strategy where I am selling puts against that stock, waiting to have that stock put to me at some point. But in the meantime, I'm lowering my cost basis by selling puts every month on that stock. So if you want to see all these different details, please check out one of the individual courses or potentially join the community. Thanks so much, everyone. Take care.